In this video, we're gonna see flexible tripod for a mobile phone or DSLR camera under 10 bucks. The approximate weight is 1.5 kg. In the box, a tripod, mobile phone holder, and a cover is available. The given mobile phone holder is made up of plastic, which can support from 5 inches to 6.7 inches mobile phone. The quality of it is very poor. The approximate weight of tripod is 1.4 kg. The ball head is made up of plastic and the tripod legs also elastic plastic. The ball head is 360-degree rotatable, which can be used for both horizontal and vertical mobile phone holder. Or also we can detach it from the tripod. Tripod leg joint quality is just okay. The sustainability of it is questionable over the time. A tripod with a mobile phone weight is approximately 1.4 kg, which placed on the ground level. During recording of this video, the wind is about like a 20 to 30 km per hour, but the stability of the tripod is good. Tripod comes with a 360-degree rotatable ball head, which can be used as a vertical camera mount or like a horizontal camera mount. The holding grip of tripod is good during the time of walking or rotating your hand and taking from different angle or running. The stability is good, the grip is good.